forgot the Ankh, and don't forget the Ankh.
Oh, of course, they're calling me the Ankh man.
Yes.
And this divine sign, this is the preeminent sign of the African spiritual high culture, because it honors, first of all, the mother, the womb. It honors the father and the synthesis, the children that comes from the womb through the seed of the father. It also symbolizes the water that rises up from the earth, up to the clouds, falling back on the earth as rain to bring vegetation out of the ground. It also is spirit, mind, and matter. So however you look at Ankh, it shows the continuous regeneration of the life force. Now, when the Romans adopted Christianity in order to co-opt it, they removed the sacred womb as the symbol, because the earliest Christians in Alexandria used the Ankh as their sign of early Christianity. They just adopted it from the early Africans of the Nile Valley. And of course, they themselves were African, people like St. Augustine and whatnot. They all were living in Alexandria region. So the Emperor Theodosius, I think in the 6th century BC, AD, he had an edict that closed the temple of Ast or Set on the island of Philae and banned the Ankh as the preeminent symbol of the early Christians. And then when Constantine came, he substituted the Roman sword, which is now the cross, as the symbol of that religion. So it's time that when we see how the patriarchal hierarchies of all the major religions are dealing in wars and death, it's time we restore the life principle, a respect for life. When people, I ride in cabs and they ask me, what's your religion? I say, take a deep breath with me. You've just joined my religion. What kind of religion is that? I said, it's the aim of all religions, life.
Yes.
There's nothing bigger, better than life. Even cockroaches want to live. You try to get them, and they run.
The fastest thing running, aren't they?
Why? They're running for their lives.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm sure if you've been anywhere near the spiritual community, you've seen the Ankh. What does it mean? The Ankh is the hieroglyphic symbol of life. It is made up of a combination of masculine energy coming from the bottom and feminine energy at the top, with a swelling representing the belly. Now, modern day Christianity used the cross as the symbol of life, when in real sense, the cross is the symbol of death that was used in ancient Rome to punish wrongdoers in the society. The main difference between the Ankh and the cross is that the Ankh includes women and the cross doesn't. It's totally patriarchal.
The chamber C na o wa dishi simba bu ata na di Simba Afa life. Our body na ata Sam weti orata the name me Afa our body na the chamber afata wishi na papando the star ata na orata the sano gado Father Hamata Simba Bu Ata Diumu Keze Ata. No one is more hated than he who speaks the truth. History